Hey, and welcome to this Unity Beginner series. In this series, we're going to build a small-scale 2D game from scratch where the goal is simple. Avoid the falling boulders and survive as long as possible to get your score to the highest point possible. Even though the game is simple, we're going to cover a lot of important Unity fundamentals along the way. Throughout this series, you'll learn how to create player movement, detect collisions, track and display a score, build a game over menu, and even manipulate sprites, like flipping them dynamically. The goal isn't just to copy what I'm doing. That's why I'll explain why we're doing things in a certain way so you'll actually understand how Unity works behind the scenes. In some of the episodes, I'll also give you small challenges. These are for you to pause the video and try solving your problem yourself before I show you the solution. This series is designed for Unity beginners. If you already understand basic C Sharp, like variables, conditions, and loops, you'll be able to follow along just fine. If you're completely new to C Sharp, I recommend watching my C Sharp Basics video first, as well as my intro to the Unity editor. These videos are linked down below in the description. If that sounds good to you, let's get started and set up our project in Unity. Head to the first video of the series now.